Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide. So I am still back home in the Philippines in Manila, and guess what I purchased here, guys? This is the Huawei Watch GT 2 42mm, and here it is. I've been looking for this on Amazon and eBay for quite some time now in Canada, and I just couldn't find anything. So I was at one of the mega mall here in Manila, and next thing you know, I went to a Huawei store and found this. So this cost me roughly around 263 Canadian dollars. So I still have enough funding for it, and I decided to just go for it and hopefully kind of give you guys an idea what kind of feature or of specs or performance you can get out of this if you are coming from a Samsung Watch Active 2. So let's just do a quick unboxing of this, but before we do that, I'm going to show you guys the specs of the watch itself right there. Let me see if I could put it a little bit closer. I did check out the 46mm, however, it is quite big on my wrist, and the design is completely different. It is more of, it's got like a number around here, around the bezel, which I wasn't kind of digging. I just like the sleek profile of this style of the watch. So here is the spec. Just take a look at that, guys. I'll just go around. And what I noticed from this watch is that it does have a long-lasting battery. It stated that it will last 7 days, which is really insane. But again, we will find out and test it out and see how it really performs in real world situations. So let's do a quick unboxing. I'm still in the hotel here. My lighting might not be as good as back home in Canada, but here it is. Boom, there's your watch. Looks amazing. And let's open the rest and see what else we get inside the box. Let's just open this side over here. So inside you do get your cable. Let me see what kind of cable it is, if it's the Type-C or your standard micro or the standard USB cable. Okay, so it is the Type-C version right there. Hold on, it looks like my autofocus here is not focusing too well. But anyways, let's see what else we have inside. You do have your charging dock, and all your pamphlets and warranties are inside there. So let's grab the watch itself over here. And there it is, guys. Look at that. Such a beautiful, beautiful watch. The profile is super thin, as you can see. Look how thin that is compared to the Watch Active 2. Let me grab one right here. You see the lighting here is not that great, but as you can see, the thickness is just insane, guys. Look at that. Look at the thinness of it. It is just amazing. So it comes with a rubber band, and the button right there looks really nice for your settings, your power and so forth. And of course you have your heart rate monitor sensor back there. This thing is like stainless steel, pure black, instead of the aqua black on the Active 2. And I'll show you guys what it looks like compared to the cloud silver. And you could really tell the size difference, guys. Huge difference. Such a more of a sleek profile on the Huawei watch. So let's power this on. Okay, let me just turn this on here. So there it is. And we'll go press English, and then It's asking to pair. Okay, let me just grab my Note 9. Okay, so I finished download the Huawei Health Bluetooth. Where are you? Okay, so let's see if we could spot it through here. Download Health and add this device. Oh, there it is. That's the one we want to add. Bluetooth pairing. This pairing, okay. Then we press OK on the watch, and it is paired just like that, guys. Very, very quick. Okay, so let's just open the Health app to pair. Okay, let's open the Health app wherever it is. Okay, we got it open. Our device, add device, smartwatch. It's updating right now. I hope you guys could see this. Let me see. Okay, so we are looking for the GT. Okay, so here's the one that we want to pair. Okay, and it looks like it's pairing now. Pairing successful. Enable. Okay, good. And we are pretty much good to go. Done. GPS is turned off. Turn it on. Yes, we'll turn that on. And I think we are pretty much good to go. So there you go, guys. That is the process of activating your Huawei Watch GT 2. And now let's see what kind of settings we have here. Let's brighten up the screen display here. I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's quite hard since I don't have no light set up. So let's see, you got auto. Okay, so we got all the brightness here. We'll put it to 5. So you can see it can go quite bright. And you got a bunch of watch faces here, which I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, the bezel of this watch is quite big compared to the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Let me see if I could show you guys a clear watch face so that you could really see the bezel. Let me see for a look for a white background. So right here. So this is a great example of how bright, how thick the bezels are. They are quite thick, guys, on the GT2. Let me see, somewhat almost similar, but just a little bit thicker on the GT2. Okay, so let's see what else of a watch face they have here in stock. Okay, you have that one there. That looks really nice as well. And there should be more. Wow, look at that one. That looks nice. So let me put this on my wrist just to show you guys how sexy this watch is. It's so thin, as you can see, very, very thin, which is what a watch should be. And it looks like a real watch compared to the Apple 5 or the Active 2. somewhat, it looks like, it still looks like a toy, but with this, it looks like a real watch, guys. Slim profile, and you have the actual knob there that imitates what a real watch should look like. Okay, so let's see what else they have here. You've got that one there. It's kind of hard without no lighting. So let's see what else they have here. You've got that there. So I'm not too sure if they have the on-screen display on this, but I will double check once I play around with it more. Let's see. Okay, that looks really nice right there, guys. Looks really, really nice. Let's see what else we have here. So you got wheels. Fresh. Drops. Okay, so those are your stock watch faces. I think there will be more in there. You could download since it is an Android watch. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick unboxing and showing us the watch faces, what it came with, and also comparing it with the Active Watch 2. I will be doing a lot more video on this, just comparing it with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. So if you have any questions or requests you want to see, what you want to do with this watch, just let me know. Leave me a comment down below. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.